Most people think soil is just dirt you buy from a store. Grab a bag, fill a pot, plant something. But commercial soil fails most plants. It's designed for profit, not plant health. Real gardeners mix their own soil. They understand ingredients. They control ratios. They create exactly what each plant needs. You've probably lost plants to good potting soil. Soil that looked perfect, but killed roots. Soil that held too much water. Soil that turned into concrete. The problem wasn't you. The problem was the soil. In this complete guide, we're breaking down soil mixing from zero to expert. You'll learn every ingredient. You'll understand why ratios matter. You'll create perfect soil for any plant. By the end, you'll never buy commercial potting mix again. This is about mastering the foundation of plant success. Everything starts with soil. What this video covers: complete soil mixing mastery. Understanding soil ingredient roles. Every component has a specific job. Mixing blindly creates problems. Essential tools and measuring. Proper tools make consistent results possible. Accuracy determines success. Base ingredient deep dive. Cocoa peat, peat moss, bark, alternatives. When to use each option. Drainage materials comparison. Perlite versus pumice versus sand versus bark. Matching drainage to plant needs. Organic matter selection. Compost types, worm castings, aged manure. How organic matter transforms soil. pH adjustment techniques. Most plants fail because of wrong pH. Simple ways to fix soil acidity. Specialized soil recipes. 15 detailed recipes for specific plant types. Exact ratios that work. Mixing techniques and storage. How to blend ingredients properly. Storing soil mixes long-term. Troubleshooting soil problems. When mixes fail, and how to fix them. Common mixing mistakes to avoid. Soil science basics. Soil is not just a plant holder. It's a living system that manages water, air, nutrients, and pH. Understanding what soil does helps you build better mixes. What soil must accomplish. Perfect soil must drain excess water quickly. Prevents root rot and fungal diseases. Water should flow through, not pool. Retain needed moisture. Plants need consistent access to water. Soil acts like a moisture reservoir. Provide air spaces. Roots breathe oxygen through soil pores. Compactor soil suffocates roots. Maintain stable pH. pH affects nutrient availability. Wrong pH locks out essential nutrients. Supply gradual nutrition. Organic matter releases nutrients slowly. Consistent feeding without burning roots. Support beneficial microbes. Healthy soil contains living organisms. Microbes help break down nutrients. Commercial soil problems. Why store-bought soils fails. Heavy and compacts quickly. Cheap fillers like regular soil compress. Roots lose growing space rapidly. Poor drainage design. Made for shelf appeal, not plant health. Waterlogged soil kills more plants than drought. Inconsistent ingredient quality. Batches vary dramatically. No guarantee of what's actually inside. Limited lifespan. Breaks down fast, needs replacement. Organic matter disappears quickly. Generic formulation. One mix supposed to work for everything. Different plants need different soil. Hidden additives. Fertilizers, moisture crystals, unknown chemicals. Can shock or burn sensitive plants. Tools and measuring. Consistent soil mixing requires the right tools. Accuracy creates repeatable results. Essential mixing tools. What you need. Large mixing container or tarp. Minimum 3x the volume of final mix. Allows thorough blending without spillage. Measuring cups or buckets. Consistent measuring ensures proper ratios. Mark containers for repeated use. Garden trowel or large spoon. For thorough ingredient mixing. Breaks up clumps and distributes evenly. Spray bottle for moisture. Lightly dampening dry ingredients helps mixing. Prevents dust and improves blending. Storage containers with lids. Airtight storage maintains soil quality. Label containers with mix type and date. pH testing kit, optional. Digital meter or test strips. Ensures soil matches plant requirements. Base materials deep dive. Base materials form 40 to 60% of soil mixes. They control structure, moisture retention, and root support. Choosing the right base determines mix success. Cocoa peat, coir. Best overall base material. Excellent water retention. Holds moisture 8 to 10 times its weight. Releases water gradually to roots. Superior drainage. Never becomes waterlogged like peat moss. Maintains air spaces when wet. pH neutral, 6.0 to 6.8, works with most plants without adjustment. Doesn't acidify soil over time. Renewable resource. Made from coconut husks. Environmentally sustainable choice. Long-lasting structure. Doesn't break down quickly. Maintains soil texture for years. Natural disease resistance. Contains compounds that resist fungal growth. Healthier root environment. Peat moss. Traditional choice with limitations. Exceptional water holding. Can absorb 20x its weight in water. Perfect for moisture-loving plants. Very acidic. pH 3.5 to 4.5. Excellent for acid-loving plants. Needs lime addition for most others. Breaks down over time. Loses structure within 1 to 2 years. Requires soil replacement more frequently. Can become hydrophobic. If completely dried, repels water. Difficult to re-wet once dry. Environmental concerns. Harvesting damages bog ecosystems. Non-renewable resource. Bark and wood-based materials. Specialty base options. Orchid bark, chunky. Excellent for epiphytic plants. Provides air spaces and quick drainage. Composted bark fines. Good compromise between drainage and retention. Adds slow-release nutrients. Aged hardwood sawdust. Must be aged to prevent nitrogen tie-up. Very lightweight option. Coconut chips, larger pieces than cocoa peat. Excellent for plants needing extra drainage. Drainage materials comparison. Drainage materials create air spaces in soil. Different materials work better for different situations. Perlite, most popular drainage material. Lightweight volcanic glass. Expanded under heat to create air bubbles. Doesn't add weight to containers. Neutral pH. Won't affect soil acidity. Compatible with all plant types. Permanent structure. Doesn't break down over time. Maintains drainage for years. Multiple sizes available. Fine grade for small plants. Coarse grade for large containers. Cons. Can float to surface. Needs thorough mixing to distribute evenly. May need periodic remixing. Pumice. Premium drainage choice. Natural volcanic rock. More durable than perlite. Irregular shape creates better air spaces. Heavier than perlite. Stays distributed in soil mix. Doesn't float to surface. Slight mineral content. Provides trace elements slowly. Beneficial for long-term plant health. More expensive. Higher cost but superior performance. Worth it for valuable plants. Various grades. 1/8 to 1/4. Most common for houseplants. Larger sizes for cacti and succulents. Coarse sand and alternatives. Other drainage options, coarse builder's sand. Must be washed to remove fine particles. Good for succulent mixes. Aquarium gravel. Pre-washed and pH neutral. Provides excellent drainage. Expanded shale. Regional availability varies. Lightweight alternative to pumice. Rice hulls. Organic option that slowly decomposes. Adds silica to soil. Avoid fine sand. Creates concrete-like soil. Blocks drainage instead of improving it. Organic matter selection. Organic matter feeds plants and improves soil structure. Quality varies dramatically between sources. Compost types. Compost quality matters. Well-aged compost, 6+ months, dark, crumbly texture. No identifiable original materials. Leaf mold composted leaves only. Excellent soil conditioner. Municipal compost variable quality depending on source. May contain contaminants. Homemade compost, you control ingredients and process. Highest quality when done properly. Avoid fresh compost, can burn roots with excess nitrogen. May contain harmful bacteria. Worm castings. Gold standard organic matter. Perfect pH, neutral. Won't alter soil acidity. Safe for all plant types. Slow nutrient release feeds plants gently over months. Almost impossible to over-apply. Beneficial microbes contains active soil life. Improves plant disease resistance. Excellent soil structure. Creates stable crumb structure. Improves both drainage and retention. Expensive but valuable, higher cost justified by quality. Use 10 to 20% of total mix. Other organic additions. Specialty organic materials. Aged cow manure must be well composted. High in nutrients, but can be too rich. Bat guano, high phosphorus content. Excellent for flowering plants. Bone meal, slow-release phosphorus and calcium. Good for long-term nutrition. Kelp meal provides trace minerals and growth hormones. Enhances plant vigor. Coconut coir fiber adds structure without nutrients. Helps bind soil particles. pH adjustment techniques. Most plant problems trace back to wrong soil pH. Simple adjustments prevent nutrient lockout. pH and plant health. Why pH matters. Nutrient availability, wrong pH locks out essential nutrients. Plants starve even in rich soil. Microbial activity, beneficial bacteria need proper pH. pH affects soil life balance. Root health, extreme pH damages root cells. Plants become stressed and weak. Common problems. Yellow leaves despite fertilizing. Slow growth in good conditions. Increased susceptibility to disease. pH adjustment materials. Raising pH, making soil less acidic. Dolomitic lime adds calcium and magnesium. Slow-acting, long-lasting. Agricultural lime, fast-acting pH adjustment. Use sparingly, easy to overdo. Wood ash raises pH and adds potassium. Use very small amounts. Lowering pH, making soil more acidic. Sulfur powder, slow-acting, long-term acidification. Ideal for acid-loving plants. Coffee grounds, used, slightly acidic when aged. Also adds organic matter. Pine needles, gradual pH reduction. Must be aged before use. Specialized soil recipes. Different plants evolved in different soil conditions. Matching soil to plant origins creates thriving plants. Universal potting mix all-purpose recipe. Best starting point. 40% cocoa peat, 25% quality compost, 20% perlite, medium grade, 15% worm castings properties. Good drainage with moisture retention. pH 6.0 to 7.0, suitable for most plants. Balanced nutrition for 2 to 3 months. Works for 70% of houseplants. Best for pothos, philodendrons, rubber trees, most tropical plants. Cactus and succulent mix. Fast draining recipe. 30% cocoa peat, 20% compost, 30% pumice or perlite, 15% coarse sand, 5% small gravel properties. Drains completely within minutes. Low organic matter prevents rot. Mimics natural desert conditions. pH 6.5 to 7.5. Best for all cacti, echeveria, jade plants, aloe, haworthia. African violet mix. Moisture retaining recipe. 35% peat moss, 30% vermiculite, 20% perlite, 15% compost properties. Excellent moisture retention, light, fluffy texture. Slightly acidic, pH 6.0 to 6.5, high porosity for fine roots. Best for African violets, begonias, gloxinias. Orchid mix, epiphytic plant recipe, 40% chunky orchid bark, 25% sphagnum moss, 20% perlite, coarse, 15% coconut chips properties, extremely fast drainage. Large air spaces around roots, mimics tree bark environment, pH 5.5 to 6.5. Best for Phalaenopsis orchids, dendrobiums, air plants. Seed starting mix, fine textured recipe. 50% fine cocoa peat, 25% vermiculite, 20% fine compost, 5% fine perlite properties, fine texture for small seeds, excellent moisture control, low fertilizer content, pH 6.0 to 6.8. Best for vegetable seeds, herb seeds, flower seeds. Vegetable container mix, nutrient-rich recipe. 35% cocoa peat, 35% quality compost, 15% perlite, 10% worm castings, 5% aged manure properties, high fertility for heavy feeders, good moisture retention, rich in organic matter, pH 6.0 to 7.0. Best for tomatoes, peppers, herbs, leafy greens. ACID-loving plants mix low pH recipe, 40% peat moss, 30% pine bark fines, 20% perlite, 10% aged leaf mold properties. Mixing techniques. Proper mixing ensures even distribution of ingredients. Poor mixing creates hot spots and dry zones. Step-by-step mixing process. Professional mixing method. Step 1. Measure dry ingredients separately. Use consistent measuring containers. Keep ratios accurate for best results. Step 2. Combine largest volume ingredients. First start with base materials. Cocoa peat, peat moss. Add other ingredients in order of volume. Step 3. Mix thoroughly between additions. Ensure Even distribution before adding next ingredient. Break up any clumps completely. Step 4. Add moisture, gradually lightly spray while mixing. Soil should be slightly damp, not wet. Step 5. Final thorough mixing, turn soil completely 5 to 6 times. Check for even color and texture. Step 6. Test moisture by squeezing handful, should hold together loosely. Should crumble when squeezed. Storage and aging. Fresh soil mixes benefit from aging before use. Proper storage maintains soil quality long term. Soil storage best practices. Short-term storage 1-4 weeks. Airtight. Containers with lids prevents moisture loss and pest entry. Label with mix type and date. Cool, dry location, avoid extreme temperatures. Prevents premature decomposition. Slight moisture content soil should feel slightly damp. Bone dry soil creates dust problems. Long-term storage 1-6 months. Allow soil to age before use. 2 to 4 weeks aging improves performance. Ingredients stabilize and blend naturally. Turn soil monthly prevents anaerobic conditions. Maintains even moisture throughout. Check for mold or pests. Fresh organic matter can attract problems. Remove any contaminated portions. Troubleshooting soil problems. Even good soil can develop problems. Recognizing issues early prevents plant damage. Common soil mix problems. Soil stays too wet. Cause too much organic matter or clay. Excessive water retention drowns roots. Solution. Add more drainage material. Mix in 20 to 30% additional perlite or pumice. Improves air spaces immediately. Soil dries too fast. Cause too much drainage material. Water runs through without being absorbed. Solution. Add moisture holding ingredients. Increase cocoa peat or compost percentage. Vermiculite also helps retain moisture. Plants show nutrient deficiency. Cause wrong pH or insufficient organic matter, nutrients locked out or simply not present. Solution. Test pH and adjust if needed. Add more compost or worm castings. Begin regular fertilizing program. Soil mix maintenance. Refreshing used soil. Annual soil refresh. Add 25% fresh compost to old soil. Restores organic matter and nutrition. pH monitoring. Test soil annually and adjust as needed. Prevents gradual pH drift problems. Replacing completely every 2 to 3 years for most mixes. When soil structure breaks down. Sign soil needs replacement. Water runs straight through. Soil compacts despite good ingredients. Plants stop thriving despite good care. Master principles. Successful soil mixing follows simple principles. Understanding these creates consistent results. Soil mixing success rules. Key principles to remember. Start with plant requirements. Research your plant's natural habitat. Match soil conditions to origin. Quality ingredients matter more than ratios. Good ingredients forgive ratio mistakes. Poor ingredients fail regardless of ratios. Test small batches first. Make 1 to 2 quarts before mixing large amounts. Adjust recipe based on results. Keep detailed records. Write down successful recipes. Note which plants respond best. Consistency beats perfection. Repeatable results matter more than perfect ratios. Small variations are usually fine. Observe plant response. Plants tell you if soil is working. Adjust recipes based on plant health. If this complete soil mixing guide gave you the confidence to create your own perfect soil mixes, make sure you subscribe to GrowX Green. On GrowX Green, we focus on deep gardening knowledge that actually works, practical techniques you can use immediately, and building real expertise, not just basic tips. Like this video, subscribe, and comment soil mix. If you want our next video on advanced composting techniques or creating fertilizer blends at home. Thanks for investing 20 minutes in mastering the foundation of plant success. Your plants will thrive in soil you created specifically for them. Happy mixing.